unboxing of the HJC RPHA 91. It's renowned to be the world's quietest helmet. Of course, it's debatable. Okay, so thank you very much to HJC Philippines. I had a hard time because it's so hard to find yung HJC na helmet on stock. So I had a hard time choosing ano yung size na bagay sa akin. But eventually I took a risk. And yung sinabi nila sa website is you take one size larger than what you usually take. I was able to test yung large and medyo masikip nga ng konti pero okay naman. So I took the extra large. So this is what's inside the box. Alright. The box looks good. HJC. It's a premium Korean brand. If you're into K-pop, you probably like this. But mahirap maghanap ng biker na into K-pop. Okay. So it's a premium brand. Yung mga endorsers nila, yung PBA Moto Group, yata yung pangalan. Popular basketball players, pero I haven't been monitoring the PBA games, so I forgot their names. So there's the R there for the RPHA. That's the that's their top of the line series. So performance reinvented. Alright, so that's galing ah. So ganyan. Ano pang next dito? Open like that. Ooh, whoa. Nagulat ako kasi pinili ko white. But black yan? May ano pala. May nakarap pala sa some sort of rubberized, some sort of parachute textile or something. Ganda naman yung pagkabalot. So, okay, I just have to remember to do that. So what's in the box? What's inside the box? They gave me a free t-shirt. Wow. But it's XL. No? They must have thought na my daughter wants it. Okay. What else is inside the box? Of course, we got the helmet. Balot na balot po inside the bag. So the bag is reusable for sure. It's probably to make sure na hindi siya dented. Sige, mamaya na natin buksan. May kasama pong pin lock. Sticker po ito. Kasamang pin lock. Fog resistant lens. Okay, clear. Very good, HJC. Libre na po to. So you can attach this to your helmet. And you got anti-fog protection. And they have this box thing. Kasama sa box kanina. So let's not open the helmet yet. Let's put this aside. Okay, balikan natin yan. And what do we have here? Ano yan dito? What is this? Oh. So it comes with a manual. Ayan. May manual siya and may sticker din. So alright. Maybe paraffle natin yung sticker na yan. So maybe I'll read the manual a little bit. But I've been looking at, before ko binili, I've been looking a lot of tutorial videos, reviews, and etc. for the RPHA 91. So I kind of like know my way around the helmet already. So I probably don't need this one. So alright, so let's open it. Dun, dun, dun. The world's quietest helmet. Of course, some people don't agree. And it's white also. Ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that. That is such a looker. And magaan siya compared to my other helmets. Considering that it's modular, it's lighter. But compared to its competitors, they're saying that this is not the lightest of them. So, may top vents dito. You slide open, close. Dito rin. It's to open, it's to close. So, ayan o. Permanent vents yan, passive vents. Then, ito vent din. So, that's how you open. Close. Then, open. Ayan. So, they're claiming na once nakabukas to, this is the only modular helmet that you can ride open, sabi nila. We'll test that soon. Kasi yung ibang modular helmet may opening dito. So the air gets in here. So you got what they say a flying squirrel effect. You know that. So ito wala. Wala siya. So you can definitely ride this in the open. Okay. So and this one also yung modular helmet. Ito yung control yan. You can even lower it. So when it lowers, it also moves forward. So, hindi natatamaan yung, kunyari, matangos yung ilong mo. Or mababa yung, mahaba yung uso mo. Hindi tatamaan. Alright? So, ganyan. And you can also adjust how low it goes. There's something inside here. You can open this part here and you can adjust it. And this one is also a lock. You can lock this, I think. So, this you can lock the modular part when it's up. Then, paano ba? And you can press this one and lower siya. So, the claim is, it's the world's quietest helmet. Siguro nga, there's some truth to it. Kasi, I noticed ito, yung isang helmet ko. Kasi the reason why I bought this helmet is, I found that my other helmet is so noisy. Yun talaga yung number one concern ko. It's so noisy with my Harley. And so when I was looking for a helmet, initially I was looking at the AGV, and in the same review, kasama itong RPHA 91. And according to the test, they tested several other modular helmets, and this is the quietest of them all. This is like 3 decibels lower than the rest of them, so that's a lot. No? And my number one concern back then is the noise. So this is why I picked it up. So yung may neck cover siya dito. So I think this is mainly responsible for how quiet it is compared to the others. Of course, others also have this one. Pero yung sa akin, wala talaga. And yung padding sa loob, it looks really premium. It looks really expensive. So, ayan. So, I guess we'll need to take this on a road test. But that's, as far as the unboxing goes, this is it. Ang ganda-ganda. I'm so excited to try it. And wait for the next episode for the on-road review of the HJC RPHA 91. Yay! Don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button. Thank you very much.